Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dego Finance. As in my previous video on Dego Finance, I was telling you that once it will break out this resistance of the down channel, then there will be a very high probability that soon it will also break out this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And right now you can see that Dego Finance has broken out this resistance of the down channel and reached the resistance of the bigger wedge. And in today's analysis, we will take a look and analyze whether is there any possibility that Dego will break out this resistance of the falling wedge, or we are going to have another rejection from this resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 31st of July, just a few days back. And by the way, previously I shared another trade plan with you that I shared for my members. And that was, I think I shared on 16th of July. And this was, you can see the previous was also a harmonic Gardley move. This was the previous idea when I was expecting up to 13% pump, and that was with Bitcoin pair. And when I play this chart, then you can observe that the price line slightly moved down than this potential reversal zone of this Gardley. And after testing this support here, it pumped well. But if I play the current trade setup, this is the current Gardley move that I shared a few days back on 31st of July. And this is, by the way, also with Bitcoin pair. And our buying zone was from 954 and go to 860. And our sell targets are from 1086 and goes to a 0.0001225 Bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line once again re-entered the buying zone first, and after visiting this buying zone again, we had a very big pump that was up to, you can by the way see the highest price here, that is at 0.0001450. That was more than 55% pump, and only on the 2-hour time frame chart 55% pump is very big. Now let's take a look at this US dollar pair chart, and this is, by the way, now we are on the weekly time frame. And here we have been watching in my previous video that the price line here had a fake out from this bigger wedge. This is the support of the bigger wedge, and here we have the resistance of the bigger wedge, and this is the resistance of the down channel, and this is the support of the smaller down channel. Let me change the colors of these trend lines so it will be easy for us to discriminate between these lines. And you can see that right now price line has recently on this weekly time frame chart broken out the resistance of this down channel. Now it has reached the resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern. And for example, if it will break out this resistance, you can see that we had a spike up to this next price level resistance that we have at $3.45. But from $3.45 to $4, that will be a very strong and key resistance zone for Dego Finance. And you can see previously this zone has been working as a support here, and for several weeks it has been breaking as a support and resistance here. And now you can see again the price line is reached here. If I switch the very small time frame on the 4-hour time frame, then you can see on the smaller time frame we had a rejection by this resistance, move down, and again we are moving up to make another attempt to break out this resistance. But after breaking out this down channel, there will be a very high possibility now that now we can break out this resistance of the wedge and also this resistance zone as well. And after breaking out this very strong resistance zone, our final target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately $30 to $31. That will be a really very big move. Right now you can see we are moving at $2.58. Therefore next few hours or days can be really very important, and we need to keep an eye on this move, on this resistance of the wedge and also this resistance zone as well. Then we can expect a very big pump very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And to catch such pumps once again, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared my link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.